Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1997 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram. The circuit diagram consisting of op-amp and a diode, and we are going to express output in terms of VI, that is V0 in terms of VI whenever VI is greater than 0. And second case is, if V0 has to be 0, what must be the voltage you should apply for the given R value, IS value and VT value. Okay, it has given that one, the diode relationship between current and voltage. Current and voltage relationship of the diode is given as I is equal to Is e power q V by kT. This can also be written as I is equal to Is times of e power V by Vt minus 1, where Vt is equal to volt equivalent of temperature or thermal voltage, that is equal to kT by q. Okay, at room temperature it is 25 millivolts, or we can refer it as 26 millivolts also. And now given that op-amp is ideal op-amp has two important characteristics. Ideal op-amp has two important characteristics, even though it has many, but these two are very important, okay, which will be useful for the analysis of the given operational amplifier circuit. So first one is, open loop voltage gain is equal to infinite. So because of open loop voltage gain is infinite, we can say voltage at both of its input terminals is same. We can prove like this. Output voltage V0 is equal to, it is expressed as open loop gain times of input differential voltage, and from this one VID is equal to, you can write it as V0 divided by AOL, and AOL is infinite, so V0 by infinite, that will become 0. VID is 0. VID is nothing but input differential voltage, that is the difference between input voltages, that is voltage at non-inverting terminal minus voltage at inverting terminal, that will be equal to 0. That gives rise to V plus is equal to V minus. Voltage at non-inverting and inverting input terminals is always same, even though they are different. This is voltage at inverting terminal, this is voltage at non-inverting terminal. Both are different nodes, but both having the same value. That implies nothing but they are virtually shorted. They are virtually shorted. So we can say this concept as virtual short concept. So if you know voltage across one terminal, at that time definitely the other will be having the same voltage. And second characteristic is Zi is equal to infinite. Input impedance of ideal op-amp is infinite. That is nothing but simply input side it is acting as open circuit. Under open circuit we know that one no current flows. So current flowing through non-inverting terminal, current flowing through inverting terminal is always 0. So we can say in this way, current flowing through non-inverting terminal is 0, current flowing through inverting terminal is 0, and voltage at this point, is same. So V1 is the voltage at non-inverting terminal, so you will also having the same voltage of V1 at inverting terminal. Since there is no current is flowing into inverting terminal, whatever the current flowing through this resistor, that is also flowing through this diode. So let us assume this is IR, current flowing through resistor, and this is current flowing through the diode ID. So we can say IR is equal to ID. IR is nothing but voltage, IR is current flowing through the resistor, that can be calculated by knowing the voltage across that resistor divided by resistance value. So voltage across this resistor is VI minus V1. VI minus V1 divided by R, that is nothing but IR. ID, current flowing through the diode, it has given, so that I am writing it as Is times of e power V by Vt minus 1. And this R, if you are taking that side, Vi minus V1 is nothing but the value of V1 is R times of Is. So I am writing it as R times of Is. If you are taking R this side, at that time it will become Ris into e power V by Vt minus 1. So we can write it as Vi is equal to Ris, and this Ris, if you are multiplying with this one, minus 1. So this one, this will get cancels. So that makes R times of Is into e power V by Vt. From this one, after mathematical manipulation, okay, that is Ris, if you are taking this side, it will become Vi divided by Is times of R, that is equal to e power V by Vt. Take natural logarithm on both sides. So finally you are getting V, voltage across the diode. Voltage across the diode under forward bias V is equal to Vt natural logarithm of Vi by Is times of R. This is what first equation. Voltage across the diode under forward bias, so that can be represented in this way, V with plus minus. Under forward bias, voltage is always positive, that is P side is more positive than N side. So we must indicate P side positive terminal and N side negative. Okay, so this is first equation. And second equation we can write it as, from this one, V0 is nothing but V0, voltage across output node. So V0 is equal to, from this point to ground or from this point to ground, in this way. If you apply KVL across this loop also, you will get the same thing. So V0 is equal to, we can write it as V1 minus V. This is second equation. And V1 is value we know, and V value also we know. V1 value is nothing but Is times of R minus V value is nothing but Vt natural logarithm of Vi divided by Is times of R. This is second equation. It is required value. V0 in terms of Vi is this much. V0 is equal to Is times of R minus Vt natural logarithm of Vi by Is into R. So the answer for the first bit is this one. And in this one, if V0 has to be 0, okay, at that time, so we are going for the second bit. For the second bit B, V0 has to be 0 is nothing but this minus Vt natural logarithm of Vi by Is into R. This will go that side and it will become positive. So Is into R is equal to Vt natural logarithm of Vi by Is into R, and it has given Is value is given, okay, R value is given, Vt value is given. If you substitute those values, you will get the value of Vi, that is the required value of Vi to get V0 is equal to 0. Since we are making V0 is equal to 0, you are getting this equation. Okay, after substituting you will get the value as Vi is equal to, okay, 5.46 volts. 5.46 volts you will get. This is what the required value of input, so that your output V0 will become 0. Thank you.